Hello students, welcome to SI Math Corner. So in this video, we solve only these two problems. First problem is let A be a real skew symmetric matrix and I plus A is a non-singular matrix. Okay, where I is the identity matrix, and then we have to prove that I plus A inverse into I minus A. This is orthogonal. Okay, so I hope everyone is know about orthogonality. What is orthogonal matrix? Because in the previous video already we defined orthogonal matrix. Okay, and second question is let A be a real square matrix. Okay, then the matrix and the matrix I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal, where I is the I is the identity matrix. Then prove that A is skew symmetric. Okay, actually, second question is the converse of first part. Okay, in the first question, given that A is skew symmetric matrix, and we have to prove that I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal matrix. And in the second question, given that I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal, okay, and we have to prove that A is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so I just recall the definition of orthogonal matrix. Okay, so what is orthogonal matrix? A matrix A is said to be orthogonal if A transpose is equal to identity. Okay, and I hope you know that what is non-singular matrix. So since I plus A is non-singular, so data of I plus A is non-zero. Okay. Okay, so now and what is skew symmetric matrix? Okay, I just write here a matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, okay. Now go to the first problem. Okay, the first problem is here given that A is a real skew symmetric matrix and I plus A is non-singular. So the solution is given that A transpose is equal to minus A because A is skew symmetric, and determinant of I plus A, this is non-zero because I plus A is non-singular. Okay, now we have to prove that I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal. Okay, so let B is equal to I plus A inverse into I minus A. Okay, then we have to prove that B is orthogonal. So that means B, we have to show that B into B transpose is equal to identity matrix. Okay, so first find out the transpose of B. Therefore, B transpose is equal to I plus A inverse into I minus A transpose. So this is equal to actually I minus A transpose into I plus A inverse transpose. Okay, because since we know that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Okay, okay. So this implies that, and we know that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. So I transpose is I minus A transpose. Okay, and this one is I plus A inverse transpose. Actually, this one is I plus A transpose inverse. Okay, because since inverse transpose is equal to A transpose inverse. Okay, so this is actually I minus, what is A transpose? Because A is symmetric, so A transpose is equal to minus A. So if we put minus A in the place of A transpose, then we will get I. This is I plus A. Okay, I plus A into this one is I plus A transpose inverse. Again put I A transpose is equal to minus A. So this is I minus A inverse. Okay, so this is B transpose. Now we have to compute B transpose. Okay, now B transpose, this is equal to B means, okay, this one is B means actually I plus A inverse into I minus A into B transpose. B transpose is equal to I plus A into I minus A inverse. Okay, say this is equation number 1. Okay, now actually we have to show that after some calculation this B transpose is equal to identity. Okay, so we just check this product. Okay, I minus A into I plus A. Okay, so actually we show that this I minus A and I plus A are commute each other. That means I minus A into I plus A is equal to I plus A into I minus A. Okay, we have to show that first. Okay, so now I minus A into I plus A. Okay, so this is equal to actually I into I plus A apply distributive law and minus A into I plus A. So this is equal to I into I, that means I plus I into A is A, and again minus A into I A and minus plus minus A into A means A square. So plus A minus A cancel, that means this is equal to I minus A square. Okay, again what is I plus A into I minus A. So this is equal to I into I minus A plus A into I minus A. Okay, so this is equal to I into I means I, and I into minus A, that means minus A, plus A into I is A, and plus minus A into A means A square. Again minus A plus A cancel, so this is my I minus A square. Now look at here uh, I minus A into I plus A is equal to I minus A square, and again I plus A into I minus A is equal to I minus A square. Okay, they both are same. Therefore from here we can write I minus A into I plus A, this is equal to I plus A into I minus A. Okay, now put this equation, the value, this commutativity, that is I minus A into I plus A is equal to I plus A into I minus A in the equation 1. Okay, now putting I minus A into I plus A is equal to I plus A into I minus A in the equation 1, we get, so what we will get in the equation 1 is B transpose is equal to I plus A inverse and in the place of I minus a into I plus a, we write I plus a into I minus a into last one is I minus a inverse. Okay, so this is I minus a inverse. Okay, now let's look at here. This is I plus a inverse into I plus a. That means a inverse into a. That means this is identity, and this quantity is also identity. Okay, so we can write. So this implies B transpose is equal to I into I. That means identity. Hence, this shows that B is equal to the matrix B is equal to what is the matrix? B is equal to this one I plus A inverse into I minus A. I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal. Okay, and this is the complete proof. I hope everyone understand. If you have any queries or any confusion, then please comment and I will respond. Okay. Okay. Now we will go to the next problem. Okay. So the next problem is let A be a real square matrix and the matrix this matrix I minus I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal. Then we have proved that the matrix A is skew symmetric. Okay, that means we have to show that A is skew symmetric. A transpose is equal to minus A. This is our target. Okay, so since start here. So what is orthogonal? Orthogonal matrix means A transpose is equal to identity. Since the matrix I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal, therefore, so according to definition of orthogonal matrix, we get I plus A inverse into I minus A into I plus A inverse into I minus A transpose is equal to identity. Okay, since it is orthogonal, so this matrix satisfies this property. Okay, now calculate it, and our target is to show that A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, so this is I plus A inverse into I minus A, and apply the properties of transpose. We get this is I minus A transpose into I plus A inverse transpose is equal to identity. Okay, so now multiply I plus A from left side, so we'll get I plus A into I plus A inverse into I minus A into I minus A transpose I transpose minus A transpose. This is equal to this is I plus A transpose inverse. This is equal to I plus A because we multiply I plus A from left side. Okay, so actually this one is identity. Okay, I plus A into I plus A inverse is identity. So this and we have so This one is identity, that means I minus A into I minus A transpose, and this is I plus A transpose inverse is equal to I plus A. Now again multiply I plus A transpose from right side, we will get I minus A into I minus A transpose is equal to I plus A into I plus A transpose. Okay, just in the similar way, just multiply I plus A transpose from right side, and then we will get this one. Okay, then multiply. So this is I into I minus A transpose minus A into I minus A transpose is equal to I into I plus A transpose plus A into I plus A transpose. Okay, so this is equal to I minus A transpose minus A minus plus A into A transpose. Okay, and this one is I plus I into A transpose means A transpose plus A into A transpose. Okay, now from the just look at here, this is I minus I and plus I cancel, plus A transpose plus A transpose cancel. So just finally we get this is 2A transpose plus 2A is equal to 0. That means A transpose plus A is equal to 0. So this implies A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, and this is our required, and this is our target. Okay, because we have to prove that A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, to prove skew symmetric matrix. This shows that the matrix A is skew symmetric. Okay, and this is the complete proof. Okay, because this is our target I plus, given that I plus A inverse into I minus A is orthogonal, then we have to prove that A is skew symmetric. Okay, and finally we proved this. Okay, okay, so I hope everyone understand. If you have any queries, any confusion, okay, then comment please. Okay, and if you like this video, then share to your friends. Thank you.